and we're gonna play a game I like to call Happy Wheels. I tried playing this earlier on my channel, but it never seemed to work because a certain someone copied me. But
there was a time when I was on Dancing with the Stars, and all I could think about was if people were noticing my pimples, and it was horrifying. That was when I finally got proactive. If you're struggling with skin that keeps breaking out, in this moment, you can change everything.
So sorry.
It just comes down to one question.
Advertisements, right?
Are you ready?
I'm just gonna mute that. Anyways, as your clear skin starts with you. Oh, the vacuum comes in. It's loading, it's loading. I'm gonna play my first game with Happy Wheels. Ooh. Alright, we're gonna play these types of levels. Let's start by the best. Let's go, please. We're gonna play. Nah, let's play Pogo Ninja. Ooh. Oh, what the heck? What the heck? I haven't played this game in forever. Oh. I made it. What is some cheese? Yeah, Jerry Can 2002. Sword Freeze. Yeah, right there. We're gonna play the virus now. What? Google. You won off your iPad. Click it. Okay. Oh, the lies. Please open. You shouldn't have done that. Alright, oh, okay. Alright, that's a virus. The haunted house. Here we go. What the heck is that? I'm stuck in the garden of mansion. Yeah, you know what else is? That hairline of yours. It's stuck in the garden. Yeah, man, it's deep. I'm out of here. Oh, yeah, you're sorry. The quarantine, no clue. If we get in there, look for the bathroom. My friend is hiding in there. Maybe he knows. Alright, Bob bitten. Bob was bitten. You know what else was bitten? Timmy's hairline. Are you feeling it together? Yeah, sure, whatever. Why would I wouldn't not? Okay, oh, where's Timmy? He's gone. Too bad. If I could only get through it. Get rid of the intruder. You know what else needs you getting rid of? You. Ghost. We need the Ghostbusters up in here. Oh yeah, you like my new intro I did there? I kind of put hardly any effort into it. It only took me like 2 minutes. Oh my gosh. I gotta click this now. Ooh, gotta click everything. You know what? This is so dumb. I'm gonna leave. Oh yeah. The Green Doge. Welcome to the Green Doge. Timmy! I survived that. Ooh. Oh, what the heck? What the heck? That's not funny. Where'd that come from? Slam dunk.
Oh God!
Oh God!
Oh God! Oh God!
Brick, brick, brick.
Oh God!
Brick, brick.
Oh God!
I did it. Mama, I did it. The Pogo challenge. Oh my God. The Pogo. The Pogo just got wrecked. What is this, like Shrek Swamp or something? Oh. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Where'd that come from? Okay. Oh, what the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Nice. Nice. After watching that, made my eyes hurt. Wait for a second. What just happened? What the heck? What just happened? Look at my foot. He broke his ankles. Nice. Ugh. I feel the same way. Ooh, 20 points. Another 20 points. Wow. Looking like Pee Wee Herman. Alright. Let me try it again. That's pretty cool. 10. Oh, plus 200. No. Alright, one. What is this, like skee ball or something? Oh, 100. Let's go. Let's go, boy. Oh, 500. Whoa, let's go, boy. Yeah, I'm not gonna try that one. Next one. Can you stop? Can you just, like, please stop? Just stop, man. Can you just, like, stop? Baby, baby. Baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Get up on this. No copyright intended. Harpoon. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Yay. Yay. Survive. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hobo Johnson. Yeah. There's no way of surviving that. Every card down there. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. The future is here. The Matrix. Why is a hobo driving here? The hobo will be driving that Toyota Corolla 2001. Yeah. Hard spike fall. Save your way. Alright. No, I'm gonna play hard spike fall. This is my foot level. I have a minute, so please give me some support. No need to rate unless you want to. I'll rate this. Yeah. Let me try again. I'll rate this. No. I don't even know what I am. I'm in the pink area. Alright, let me try to save my wife. I think she's fine. Yeah, you see, she's still alive. Oh, no. Alright, I'll look at that. So, I'm a murderer. This. I saved my life for her. And all she's doing is drinking. Cheers to that. Yeah. My soccer balls. My soccer. No. No. Let's see what's up. Oh, I couldn't. Good night. Music maker grandpa. I'm guessing I have to be grandpa. Oh snap. Mom, what you do? No. Go, Grandpa! Go, Grandpa! Go, Grandpa! Let me spam it. Alright, that's kind of cool. I like music with Grandpa. The Happy Rookie movie. Oh, nice. The New Guy, episode 2. I don't know what I missed in episode 1. So you think you're ready for the job? Because my last employee was a loon. Oh yeah, I'm totally ready. Why was your last employee a loon? Because you pushed me out of a window? Yes, I can do that. You're a genius. You will definitely get a job here. That made me laugh. Alright, I think I'm gonna do 2 more levels and we're gonna end off here. Press CD. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. Okay. Yep. Okay. Let me try that again. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Yes. Oh. He's still alive. He's still alive. He's still alive. Alright. One more time. Yeah, this is gonna work. This is my last one. Whoop swing, easy. You know what? That seems kind of dumb. Let's play Killing Machine. End it off on a more greasy. Oh my gosh, what the heck? This isn't even technically killing. Press space to do this. Press Spady. What's Spady? Please tell me what Spady means. Yes, this is how people won the war. Alright, let me end it here. Alright, this is Press CG. I made this video. And I'll make a video next week. Weekend, whatever. And I will see you next time. Please leave some likes, some suggestions, some, please subscribe while you're at it. And see you next time. Peace.